So Dad is doing some adjustment on the spring here. We're going to put in the spring dampeners here today on this machine.
Using this pop out right away. I gotta weld a couple tabs, one on each side, before I can take them up.
Okay.
You go and have a coffee.
So Dad took out the springs.
Round thing there.
Yeah. It's kind of uneven.
The spring goes over top of that.
Yeah.
But if the rubber is sitting on there, it's not going to last very long. If
Yeah.
I weld a flat plate on top, then it has a good cushion because it sits like that. Eh?
Okay.
So that's enough for today.
Okay.
And
So
again tomorrow.
Dad was struggling a little bit here with the springs. He had to weld a couple chunks on just to get
They should all be welded on.
that piece in there.
You can't take the spring out without it sliding down on you.
Yeah.
You put that in there, you can install and remove the spring in no time flat.
Okay. So Dad's got both springs out right now, and we're going to put in the spring dampeners next. That is the red ones. We just got them back into stock. I ordered them in June, and then they were delayed till October, and then delayed till December, and I managed to find the last 6 pair in all of North America. I bought 5 of them, and so we got them for this machine. We got them for the yellow Bombardier, and we got it for the next customer. We got 2 spares, and I'm not really keen on getting rid of them right now, guys, but somewhere around April maybe you're going to find these available through Jegs, and they got to be ground down. And this is the 10.5-inch coil spring, and it's 8 ring, and around April or so they might come into stock, but good luck trying to find them. Honestly, since June I've been trying to get them, but again, those go in there, and then everything gets fitted into place here, and it's been described to us as the difference between ripping your arms out on driving this machine versus driving on a field of pillows. So that's the next task Dad's got to do here. I don't know if he's got to do any work more on the skis, but once we get all that back into place, Dad is going to probably end up dropping the machine down here off the stands, and then checking the track tensioners on the back. So wanted to show you this, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.